If you disagree with me on this, you're wrong. Let me show you why. Picture this: two people start a marathon. Same starting line, same goal. One is running, muscles burning, lungs gasping for air. The other? They're cruising effortlessly on a bicycle. Now you might say, hold on, that's not fair. Both are pushing themselves. Both are working hard. But one is moving miles ahead while the other struggles to keep up. Why? Because one is leveraging technology. The other is relying only on effort. This isn't just a race. This is history. Every major shift, whether it was the Industrial Revolution or today's digital age, divides people into two groups. Those stuck in the old system, running as hard as they can, and those who adopt new technology, accelerating ahead. Charles Dickens wrote about this during the Industrial Revolution. Factory owners and capitalists soared ahead, while workers and farmers struggled in the past. The wealth gap widened. Wealth inequality is because of technology and technology adoption. Some were building industries. Some were begging on the streets. Sound familiar? The question is, are you still running? Or have you found your bicycle? Because the race is already happening.